All right, everybody, in this video, what I have for y'all today is, check this out. This is the curtain holdback hooks. I have been in my office area, I have these thick kind of blackout curtains because I'll like be working during the day a lot of times. And one of the things is I want to pull my curtains back and have like open it up. And I had been looking around for some type of holder to hold the curtain in place. What I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox them and install them for y'all real quick and kind of show you exactly what they look like when you get them here. So open them up here right away. You see there's a little bag of hardware, which looks to be an Allen key and 4 hooks, 4 screws with the like drywall type inserts. So a little set of instructions. And here's the hooks themselves. And let me show you how nice these hooks are. And what this is, there's an adjustment screw right here so you can turn this to face any direction you want. Is that not a nice finish on those? That is such a good premium feel to them. And they're solid. They feel like really solid. They're hollowed out here, but they just feel, they don't feel cheap. You hear that? I like that sound. So once they're installed, I'll show you one of them installed and holding the curtain back. Highly recommend these things. Very premium look. Metal, handmade curtain holdback. I'm gonna show you what I've been using. I've been using this screw right here that I wad the curtain up and then I stick it behind that screw. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install the little metal hook. I'm gonna hang it about right there level with the plant. So what you wanna do is take the little supplied Allen key, loosen that up. That way, don't lose that little bolt, that little Allen head right there. So you see how the little leaf thing will come off by that one Allen head. So let me go ahead, now that I have that removed, that gives me access to the 2 holes right there to add the screws. What I did was get a small drill bit and add 2 drilled out holes right there for the screws, so that way I don't split the wood. I'm going into wood, so I don't really need to use the supplied little drywall fitting thing. Okay, now that I have the drill out and I've got the screws started, I'm gonna use my screwdriver to finish it out and finish screwing it down like this. You don't want to use a drill. And you see with that leaf removed, that gave me access to this. So I want the leaf part to be more vertical like that instead of horizontal. So I'm going to slide it on there and then I'm going to put the little set screw right there. And that tightens down nicely. Wow, just a couple of turns and it's already in there. So there you go. That's how it looks right there. Let me move this over just a little bit. That looks 10 times better than using that little screw that I was using right there. Highly recommend one of these things. Does that not look awesome? That looks so good and clean right there.